everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury 23P video number 4. Quite a few pieces to try on this time. This mid-length halter, and here is the information for it if you are looking. Very lightweight pant, but lots of metallics, so we will see how it feels on. Many of you know I'm not a fan of metallics for how they feel. Here's the tag. Here is the denim vest that you've now seen in 3 of my videos in yet another size. This is a 36. Here's a tweed dress, kind of midi length, ties around the back. Here's the tag for this one. This one's a 38. Pair of sweats. I live in sweats. I work from home, so maybe this will be a good selection. Size 36. And very cool pink tank dress, much like the pink tank top, but more expensive. And a very simple cardigan. This is a size 38. We'll give this one a try. And I will let you know what the fabric is as I try them on. There might be a few additional pieces towards the end that I include in the video as well, if some pop in. So I hope you enjoy. All right, so I had said there might be some additional pieces as some more pop in. This is one of them. This is a size 36. Very sparkly, very sequin, very rough fabric, quite expensive. It is size 36 for $71.50, and it looks really cute, but I think it's probably not very practical, but I will just try it on and you can all see what you think. Here it is, super cute, but see from the back. Fantastic colors. I love the color on it. It would need to be one size smaller and about $4,000 less for me to consider it. So I think the pockets are really cool. They would need to be opened and actually made into pockets. It's definitely oversized for those of you looking for it. I'll come in closer so you can see the color detail and the detail here. I feel like I am a 70s throwback in wearing this outfit. So here's one piece, again, that I didn't expect to try. So now I will try some of the ones I did. All right, so this is the vest yet again in a different size. A couple of you have mentioned that you know how you're gonna style this. Please enlighten me because I still don't know. Definitely this is the correct size, although I still think I could use a 38. But it's more flattering, I guess. But I do think still that it's a little bit bland. So you can see detail if you haven't seen the prior videos, the camellia print. Just not loving this piece. I wanted to love it maybe even with this outfit, right? I have on some Chanel sweats, maybe even something like this. It would dress it up a little bit, but I don't know. So love to know what you think and how do you plan to style this thing? I wanted to go over to Wolford where I got this top and see if there's some cute leggings or something, but I don't want to spend a lot of money on something that I'm unsure about. So on to the next piece. All right, this cardigan is 100% cotton. Not a whole lot to it. I think for me personally, if I'm gonna buy Chanel pieces, I want them to be really special. So this is a pass for me. Just as much as I do like some simple pieces, I think this one is just probably not something I'll be finding myself wearing very often. So here's the fit for those of you looking for it. Button detail for those of you interested. These buttons, by the way, they have plastic on the back. So that's one of the turnoffs when I first went to unbutton off of the rack. I didn't like that it was plastic. I thought that kind of cheapened the entire feeling of the piece. So that kind of right away eliminated it for me. All right, so here are a pair of pants. These are 36. They feel really tight in the waist. The tailor thinks they're perfect. I'm like, here's how they look in the back. And they are I'm just gonna show you like this. Wide leg down, kind of a straight leg down. So no skinny stuff, which is nice. And then I'll show you what the little jacket that goes with it looks like. Okay, so kind of simple tracksuit. The pants do match it. I can actually see myself just kind of leaving the store and dressing like this in this outfit and having it be pretty cute. So I think it's very wearable, more so than these pieces back here. So it's a maybe for me, but I'd love to know what you all think. Here's the detail, by the way, on the jacket. I wish we could just toss these in the washing machine, right? Not pay a fortune for dry cleaning, but that's not gonna happen. And then the fit on the back is, like this. So this is a size 38, by the way. 38 jacket, 36 pant. Try the next one. All right, so that's a silk and cotton set, by the way. This is a size 40. It's supposedly too big for me. To me, it fits just right. So I don't like my stuff tight, but you can see just kind of Lucky Charms with CC. In terms of the color, it is a very hot pink. So you may not be able to see it with this lighting, but here's what it looks like. It's just a simple polo. For me, it's too simple for the price, so I would pass. And it's a blend of silk, cotton, and polyester. And here's what it looks like from the back. I will show you the tag actually, because many of you did not see this one. I didn't have it in the beginning. So here you go. If you're looking for this top. Okay, I'll move on to the next one. All right, this little cotton dress, I think I had alluded to it coming in a few different videos. It's just as cute as I thought it would be. Here's the whole length, so you can see I'm 5'4" for reference. It is a little bit loose up here, but it's adjustable. So I think it looks really cute, fits great on, and overall I love this one. And I had mentioned before the color pink. The pink color this season is fantastic. So here's the detail here, so you can see. Now I'll move on to the next. I was at a Chanel event last night, and I saw so many people in the most beautiful flowing gowns, and I really wanted to try and love one from this season, but I'm not loving this. First of all, it's too big in the bust. It is my size, but it's just too big. Let me move the camera down and you can see the whole length. So here's the length. You can see the end of it is here. Again, 5'4" for reference. Ties on the side. It has potential, but I'm not liking the execution very much. So for me, especially given the price point, it's a pass. But I wanted to show you and let you see. It is a really fine fabric though, by the way. If you want a lightweight tweed, it's definitely beautiful for that. And I'm sure all of this can be altered and pulled up, but I think the extra fabric here makes it look like we have deformed breasts. This is the deformed breast dress. That's it. So I'm gonna try the next one. All right, I really wanted to love this. This is a 38 top. It feels really tight here, way too loose here. And you can see the back of it. It reminds me of the fringe from 2 years ago that's still sitting in my closet that I'll be selling to the real shortly. So it's a pass for me. Now the pants are another story. They are actually a 36. I'm gonna angle the camera down so you can see. I like the wider leg. The way they sit on the body looks nice. The trouser towards the top looks really nice. The cuffed bottom, I think looks really good. For me, this is just a matter, they have a lot of stretch too. For me, it's just a matter of budget, right? I'm not interested at this moment in spending money on this. But I do think they're nice, and I would highly recommend if you want a lightweight pair of trousers, it's definitely a good option. This top, itchy, it's a no-go, but I think this looks really good. I did want to try this jacket again, just to see how itchy it really feels when you don't have something heavier on underneath it. Because I've passed on a jacket in years past that was similar, and I really regretted it. It's kind of a hobo look, I think, but definitely 70s, particularly with these pants, 70s vibe. But it's another look at this one. So let me move this back so I can see all of you, or you can see my face. So unless they bring other pieces in, that will be my wrap up for my fourth video of 23P. Actually, in March, we start getting the spring collection, right? And I know there's a lot of amazing pieces there. So spend your money sparingly is my advice. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please tell your family or friends or anyone you think might be interested. And if you feel so inclined, hit the subscribe button. And I'd love to know what you think about any of these pieces. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are.